Quick Crypto, bringing you quick Caspa news. Fasten your seatbelts because this crypto market, this roller coaster ride, is potentially about to speed up once again, igniting yet another Caspa pump, and the whales know this. Of course, I'm referring to the imminent approval of ETFs in Hong Kong. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs could unlock up to $25 billion in demand, which is insane. Apparently, Hong Kong are aiming to replicate the booming success we witnessed in the United States of America recently, which saw Bitcoin rise from $38,000 to a new all-time high of $73,000, and this is still just the beginning. Because of this announcement, the market is evidently in anticipation, hence why yesterday we saw so much green across the board. Right now, Caspa is valued at 12.4 cents, up 0.86% on the daily time frame, and seemingly has stabilized after yesterday's theatrics. And this is largely because the whales have been very active. With 2 new whales today, and there's been 3 in the past 7 days. There's equally been a growing accumulation of smaller Caspa wallet holders like sharks all the way through to crabs as well, which is very good news. However, as I keep reiterating to you, you can't be emotional when investing or trading. You have to be logical and rational. There are 2 main reasons why I said potentially at the start of this video. The first is because even though this announcement of the ETF from Hong Kong are very bullish news, we are still pre-halving, and as a result, with the Bitcoin miners still dumping and institutions still trying to shake you out of your bags, have you considered the possibility that they are using this hype and FOMO to cause the opposite effect in the market? The second reason comes from Uphold's head of research, Dr. Martin Heisberg. Need I remind you, he's a man who is paid to be right on these things. He stated that since Bitcoin ETF's January's launch, outflows from GBTC have surpassed a staggering $16.2 billion. And if you thought April showers meant May flowers, think again. Daily outflows from Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust have been bouncing between $75 million and $300 million this month alone. It's like watching a yo-yo on steroids. Look, I'm not trying to be the bad guy, the spreader of FUD. I'm not trying to dissuade you from making investments, especially into projects like Caspa, because we are on the brink, literally on the brink of the biggest wealth transfer in history. Millionaires will be made more than ever in this bull run. I'll put it in this way. There's a very famous saying when investing, whether it's stocks, crypto, bonds, whatever it may be. The saying is, you buy the rumor and you sell the news. The rumor is that Hong Kong is coming today, hence why the market is looking a lot healthier. But once this news is released and the confirmation is here, anything could happen. So in the immediate short term, just be logical. This was mainly targeted at the day traders, but now if you're an investor, then in my opinion, you have absolutely nothing to worry about. And before I get into quickly why, if you don't want to miss out on any of the latest Caspa content, then please like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more. So Rust, this project is one of Caspa's most imminent catalysts, a project that once completed will result in faster blocks per second. Caspa will be more secure, decentralized, and scalable, and this will make Caspa look even more appealing to potential institutional investors or just investors in general. There's equally the possibility that exchange listings are waiting for this hard fork with Rust before announcing a Caspa trading pair. So we are getting closer every single day. As we can see now, Caspa is sitting at 10.78% migration and rising every single day. But this Rust migration is bigger than you can imagine. Seen in the words of Shai, one of Caspa's core developers, Rusty Caspa is not just about blocks per second, it's about rebuilding everything from the ground up. The long-term benefits of Caspa invite so much room for growth. As we can see from CodeWell's stuff, he's a node operator of Caspa. Basically, on the node operator side of things, it will mean that they will save on resources and you don't lose out on rewards, meaning increased efficiency, more incentive to operate Rusty nodes, mine Caspa, and get involved in the ecosystem. I don't need to remind you that more attention obviously raises prices, increased mining raises hash rate, which also, because Caspa is a fair launch proof of work, raises prices. Do you know how incredibly important and pivotal these development with Rust is for Caspa? Rust is the gateway towards smart contracts and Dagnite, which is a whole different video in itself. The long-term Caspa easily, in my opinion, has the potential to reach $3. And that's my conservative prediction. Of course, it's not financial advice, but based on the speed and growth of Caspa and quite frankly crypto as a whole, And this being Kaspa's first ever bull run, the sky is truly the limit. No one knows how high Kaspa will truly go, so just ignore the FUD, don't be emotional, be logical.